Good morning, good morning. Today is Christmas Eve, and it's not only Christmas Eve, Merry Christmas Eve by the way, it means it's the first day of the Festive 500. I'm here in Bolsover, beautiful Bolsover, and I've got a friend to introduce. Is here. This is Darren.
Morning.
Toony.
Morning.
So basically, we met on an Audax. We were meant to do one, I'll come over here actually. We were meant to do one yesterday at 200, and we bailed, both of us. We were like...
It wasn't happening.
No,
wasn't happening.
The weather was just so bad, and we're like, nah. And then last night we were like, oh, maybe we could do a shorter Audax around here. There's one, it's called Colourful, is it Colourful Clumber?
Yeah.
Did you do it?
No.
Oh, I thought you did it.
I did it last year.
Okay.
Missed it this year, but it's not going to be as colourful this year.
I don't think it is. It's going to be muted oranges. So we're going to head off. Got my camera, take you along, and this is the start of this year's Festive 500. So let's go. We've managed 20k and we're in a cafe already, so it got to like -5 and there were like patches of ice because it was all on country lane. It's beautiful Audax if it's sunshine. So we've come into a cafe to reroute and find a different route on main roads, because the main roads are fine, but they were sketchy as well. We're not in Manchester anymore. £1.20 for a cup of tea. Bargain.
With milk.
With milk.
With milk.
Right there, you can see it. Salvation Army. Right, I've got some gloves. 99. That's £2.20 I've ever spent. You all ready?
Ready?
You ready?
4.
Cycling on the road. So we've not got a route now, we're just going to head towards Rapha, I reckon. Yeah?
The safety of the A roads.
The safety of the A roads.
Yeah.
I just wish it was cloudy because it is so bitterly cold. We'll do 100 today. We'll do 100. I hope you can see this as well as I can with my eyes, but that is Bolsover Castle, and it is stunning. I absolutely love it. Just love it. So Darren has gone now. He parked in Bolsover, which is where I am now, and yeah, we genuinely didn't think we were going to last. I think we've done just over, I've probably done about 108k by the time I get home. But genuinely it got so cold, and then it gets to a point where you're like, why are we even doing this? But we stuck it out, it got warmer, and just had a really good day on the bike. So yeah, this is why I love Audaxes. You just meet all these people that are just up for doing long rides, just love it. I'm just gonna head off back now, and I will see you when I'm nice and toasty back at home. 110 to the dot. I did say before, I was on a bike, it's like, oh, you got to round up to 110. I was like, no, I can't be arsed. But luckily, it's just hit 110. So this is going to be an extra section that I'm going to do every single day that I do the Festive 500 and ride. I want to share kind of part of my cycling journey with you to try and make you feel a little bit better, and maybe about your cycling journey, or to either motivate, encourage or inspire you to do something maybe that you've not already done. Because I think sometimes I try and be as honest as I possibly can, but sometimes you don't always see when I'm worried or when I'm scared about doing something or whatever. So I thought, let's just pick up some photographs from the past and share them with you and just try and make you feel a little bit better. So today's photograph is going to be this one. So this photograph was taken in October 2015, and it was the first ever time that I'd climbed Holme Moss. And if you don't know what Holme Moss is, it's just under 5k the climb. I think it's about 350 meters elevation, and I think the steepest part of it is about 12%. Regardless of all the stats, before I did it, I was petrified. Like, actually worried. I was actually worried that I was going to fall off because it was going to be that steep, and I was just letting what other people said about it really get into my head and scare me. And I was like, oh, what if I can't do it? What if I can't do it? But the moral of this is I just went and did it anyway. So I kind of want to encourage you, if there's a climb that you're worried about doing, or one that you've been kind of putting off, or one that you'll kind of purposely reroute so you don't have to go and do it, or anything else that you kind of want to do but you're scared to do, like put it in the diary for 2019 and give it a go. Because genuinely, most of the times we make these things bigger than they are in our head because we just worry, and I don't know, I do anyway, or I did. And there's a video actually from that day in October 2015 that I've talked about all this, so I'll leave a link to that in the description box if you fancy go and have a little blast from the past from Kate Kookaburra from 2015. But yeah, I think it's really important to talk about this and to talk about like self-doubt, because maybe it's not what everyone goes through, but I definitely had that self-doubt. I still do sometimes on different rides, different climbs. But you have to just accept that you are going to feel like that and then just go and do it anyway. So I hope you have enjoyed that. And also, that photograph shows the amount of weight that I've lost as well. And I think people, if you're new to like watching my channel, you might think that I've always kind of looked like this, and I haven't. I was 30 kilos heavier than I am now, and that's mainly been down to cycling and being vegan, so just eating like plant-based food. So I might do some more, well, I will do more videos about that if you are wanting to try and lose some weight in the new year, as a lot of people do. I can go into more detail if you like. So I think that is pretty much it for today's video. I hope that has helped encourage or inspire you. And also, if you're doing the Festive 500, comment below, let me know how you're getting on, and I will see you tomorrow on Christmas Day, because I am going to be riding and I am going to be filming. So I will see you tomorrow. I'll see you when Santa's been.